Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here.
Mrs. Claus, she's the heart, she's the cheer, Christmas magic's always near. Mrs. Claus, she's the...
Ho ho ho! Everyone knows Santa Claus, but today I want to tell you about the real hero of Christmas, Mrs. Claus. While I'm checking my list, Mrs. Claus is busy keeping the elves happy with her warm cookies and hot cocoa. She helps me stay on track, makes sure the sleigh is ready, and keeps everything running like clockwork at the North Pole. But most of all, Mrs. Claus brings love, kindness, and joy, and without her, Christmas just wouldn't be the same. So next time you think of Santa Claus, remember, Mrs. Claus is the heart of Christmas. Ho ho ho! Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.